Hi guys, and welcome in this new episode of 1 Year with Film Only. Today I have two good news to share with you. The first one is that film photography is saved. As I said in the intro, film photography is saved, or at least that's what it looks like when you look at the enthusiasm and the result received from the Save the Analog Cameras campaign. If you've following the channel for a while now, you've probably seen the episode that I posted like a few weeks ago where I was asking if film photography was really saved or not. I was mentioning about the initiative from Hugo, who is behind CameraAdventures.com, who wanted to draw a map of the community and the users around the world. He received more than 4,500 entries around the world and was able to draw in record times a map of the community around the world. So first of all, if you want to check what's the situation in your country, I'm gonna drop a link in the in the description, where you can have a look at the map and see what's the situation in your country look like. What is the average age of the users, etc. There is plenty of information, and I think it's really interesting. For example, you can see that in the Philippines there is a huge wave of newcomers that are under 26 years old. And that's not something that I would expect personally from a country like that. Usually, I would have think that we would see a large community, in percentage, of course, in countries like, let's say, rich countries like the US, UK, Germany, France. But that's not the case. For example, if we can talk about emerging countries or countries that are not as rich as European, for example, you can see that there is a genuine interest for analog photography, and not only from older people, but also for younger, who not necessarily have the funds to develop film and scan, etc. Because shooting film, let's be honest, costs a lot of money. So I think it's a strong signal that is being sent to the industry that film is a safe bet, because if you see that people in not so rich countries are shooting film, means that there is really something going on around that. It's not only a fashion, that goes in rich countries. So this map that I'm talking about is only about the community, the users, but there will be other maps that will follow soon about the service provider, for example, the labs, the printer, the camera stores, and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to have a look at his website, again, check out the link in the description, and there will be more stuff adding on as soon as he can, because he receives so many information that it will take time to sort out everything. But I'm sure he will do it, because he's really determined to make this happen and save film. The second good news I want to share with you is that this enthusiasm gave him the idea to organize a conference about analog photography and its future. It's going to be called Future of Film. This will be the opportunity for the major actor of the industry, and also the influencers, to share their thoughts about, again, the future of film and what can be done to keep the momentum in motion, because there is a lot of activity going on, but we have to make sure that we keep feeding the beast, if I can say, and constantly bring new stuff, and also help the newcomers and give them solution about reducing the cost, for example, of developing film, of processing, and etc. So there is a lot of things to talk about. So to make this conference a reality, he has just launched a crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo. I'm going to show you now the introduction video so you can have a look and see what Yuo has in mind. He will talk about it better than I do, and I'll come back to you in a minute, guys. So Yuo, it's up to you now.
Do you have questions about the future of film? Well, most of us do. So let's get some answers. I want to have a proper discussion about the future of film, and I want everyone to take part. The history of film photography has been characterized by fierce rivalry between companies and a clear division between consumers and the industry. Open conversation has very rarely been a goal. However, a new culture of collaboration has emerged in the community in the last 20 years. It's been set up by the thousands of mentors that have been selflessly teaching the new generation on how to shoot film. I want to bring the analog community and the industry servicing it together to talk about the future of film. I believe we have a sustainable future only when both sides work as one. We have the opportunity to host the Future of Film conference. It will be a TED Talks-like experience for the analog world, packed full of influential community members and experts from the industry that will be given a chance to have their say. To see how we plan to do this, and if you can help, go see our crowdfunding page on Indiegogo. Thanks.
A bit more about the conference. It will happen over a weekend in the month of November in Tampere, which is in Finland. So for the bravest of you, you can either join us in Finland and beat the cold, or you can watch the conference from the comfort of your home on your sofa. It's up to you. If you want to participate in the project and support the campaign, I'm going to drop a link to the Indiegogo campaign, so have a look and see if you want to support this initiative. Yuo asked me to be part of the team who will organize the event, and I really believe he's in determination to make this a reality. But we also need your support, guys. So again, check out the link in the description to the campaign and see what you can do. There's also an opportunity if you cannot back up the campaign, but you want to still participate. I'm sure he will be looking for volunteers. So if you're around in Finland in November, let me know in the comment and I'll forward a message to you, or we'll find a way to keep in touch with him and let him know that you're interested to volunteer. I'm sure we will need hands to guide our guests or the speakers or whatever. There is plenty of things to do, I'm sure about that. That's all I have to say for today, guys. Again, if you really believe in film and want us to create the first event, to my knowledge, dedicating to us, the film community, help us with this campaign, and that could probably lead in an event that could happen every year. That would be amazing for the film community. So again, guys, check out the link in the description, like the video if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until then, keep shooting. Bye, guys.